And we are in front of the new Westfalia Columbus with the new design from the Fiat Ducato chassis, and we shall be entering inside to check the new specs of the Columbus 540D. And this is the final price, 78,687. Let's go inside, check all the specs and features. This is a 540 Fiat Ducato chassis van, so you will understand there is little less space on this side, but the actual seating is not so bad and pretty comfy even for two adults. So let's try on that side. Yeah, not so bad. I am actually sitting pretty fine, and I will be going next to check the interiors details of this actual van. Yes, we have a pretty tall domestic fridge. Yeah, it's pretty tall. And then standard domestic 2 cooker, 1 sink. And on the lower part, oh, we have some slide outs for some additional setting. And 3 cabinets on this side, pretty deep. Then additional storage, nice looking right down there. And then we have the actual bathroom. It's not the biggest bathroom that I saw, but it's pretty comfy with an Thetford cassette toilet and a smaller sink. This should be all waterproof. And then on the back, getting 1 small cabinet for your kitchen, and then additional cabinets for all your other belongings on the back. And that looks pretty nice because you have the cabinets all around here, and you can store a lot of stuff inside with a hanger right up there. And the bed is not the biggest, and I will be measuring it right now with my Parkside laser measurement tool. 1.9 on the longest part and approximately 1.3 on the widest part, and on the less wide part, let's say to the door, it's 1.1. That you have it. This is a 540 Fiat Ducato Campervan. Going into the back, we are seeing, well, the actual garage area is not bad, but I can open that to measure it because they have mounted a Thule rack slide out for 2 additional bikes. And there you have it, the Westfalia Columbus 540D. Another look from outside.